This is the best base routine ever for long-lasting, beautiful, glowing makeup that looks like skin. One, moisturize with whatever moisturizer you have and you want to use. This is the best primer ever. This is the MAC Studio Fix Mattifying Primer. This makes my makeup last literally 12 hours long, and I know that's extreme, but sometimes you need it. I have dry skin, so it doesn't irritate my dry skin at all. If you don't have this, I will honestly buy it for you. It's so good. It makes your makeup look so glowy. I'm going to spot conceal with the NARS Soft Matte Concealer, so wherever I have blemishes, I'm going to apply this to. This tinted moisturizer is so good. It gives you glowy skin and it's beautiful. When your makeup is really marinated into your skin, oh, it looks so good. MAC Fix Plus Stay Over Spray all over. One size concealer on blemishes. NARS under the eye. Spray again. Best bronzer and contour duo ever. So Rare Beauty bronzer and then Milk Makeup contour, so good. MAC Studio Fix loose powder. This also makes your under eyes look so smooth. MAC Studio Fix foundation powder to set everything. Kylie bronzer. Kylie blush. Dior Backstage blush. Pillow Talk highlighter. Set for the last time, and you're all done.